In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix all videos saying video unavailable on YouTube. If you're trying to watch YouTube and every single video shows that frustrating video unavailable message, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through several practical fixes, starting with the simplest ones and moving toward more advanced solutions. Follow along step by step and try each method in order, because often the issue is something small that's easy to miss. First, start by refreshing the page. It sounds basic, but sometimes the error is just a temporary loading glitch. Click the refresh button on your browser or press the refresh shortcut. Then check if the video starts playing normally. If that doesn't help, close your browser completely and reopen it. Then go back to YouTube and try playing a video again. Restarting the browser clears short-term issues that can block videos from loading. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try opening a different website or streaming service. If other sites are slow or not loading, restart your router or switch from Wi-Fi to a wired connection if you can. YouTube needs a steady connection, and a weak signal can sometimes trigger that video unavailable message. After confirming your internet is fine, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, stored data can become corrupted and cause issues with sites like YouTube. Go into your browser settings, find the option for clearing browsing data, and choose to clear cached images, files, and cookies. Once that's done, close the browser, open it again, and test YouTube. If you're using browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or VPN-related add-ons, temporarily disable them. Extensions can interfere with how YouTube loads and communicates with its servers. Turn them off one by one, refreshing YouTube after each change to see if one of them is causing the problem. If you're still seeing video unavailable, try a different browser altogether. For example, if you're using Chrome, switch to Firefox, Edge, or another browser and test YouTube there. If videos work in the other browser, the issue is likely specific to your original browser settings or extensions. Also, check if your device's date, time, and region are set correctly. Incorrect system settings can sometimes prevent content from loading properly, especially if YouTube thinks you're in a different place or your time is way off. Finally, if nothing else works, restart your device. A full reboot clears out background processes and resets network components, which can resolve stubborn playback errors. Work through these steps patiently, and in most cases, you'll fix the video unavailable issue and get back to watching YouTube without interruptions.